weeks, but I do have one more to talk about. This one is called The Priest's Children.
Yeah.
So I think this is a Czechoslovakian movie, maybe Yugoslavian. I don't remember what country
I
is
think it's
still
Czech. Yeah.
Czechoslovakian. I think so too. And basically, this priest is watching a news report and he sees that the birth rate is the lowest in Czechoslovakia in the history of the country, and it's that's a big problem because that's your whole culture. If you can't keep having kids and bringing them up in your culture, it's just going to die. So he's asking around, trying to figure out how to get people to have more babies. And he teams up with the local condom salesman. And he makes this big argument to the condom salesman that we have to have more babies and how do we do it? And, the condom salesman is part of his church. And so he's going, he's sort of is showing him, he tells him who's buying condoms and when. And the condom salesman knows who everyone's having sex with in town and all that stuff. And so he's so he starts putting holes in all the condoms. And there's this really funny montage
with the condom salesman's knowledge?
Yes, the condom salesman brings him the condoms. He pokes holes in all of them and then gives them back to the condom salesman, who then sells them to the people in the town.
So the condom salesman couldn't have done that himself? Is this a morality issue?
This is the priest's plan.
Okay.
So the priest is convincing him to go along with it.
Gotcha.
So there's just a lot of funny scenes in here when the condom salesman is telling him who's having sex with who and who he thinks is having sex with who, and really funny montages where they're getting more efficient at putting holes in the condoms. At first it's just a pin and through the middle and one at a time, and then they they have a stamper machine that's just going through an assembly line, and but it really isn't working, and they can't figure out why. And then they decide, what if we get the local pharmacist involved? And so they get the pharmacist involved. So he's giving out fake birth control now and more condoms that have holes poked in them. Yeah. So literally there's no birth control in this town, but everyone thinks there is birth control. This movie is wildly hilarious until the exact second it's not. And then stuff gets real.
Yeah, I see.
So I'll sort of give you the opening of this part of the movie, and then I'll stop there. So people start having babies. And there's this one scene that's a little uncomfortable where it's this girl has gotten pregnant, but she had sex with a couple different people, and they can't figure out who.
There's no check.
Who had
Maury Povich?
No, they can't figure out who the father is, but they narrow it down to 3 guys, and it gets a little creepy because at that point the priest, the pharmacist, basically just decides, that one's Czech, so it must be him. And it's but. How can you do you know? And it's no, but he's Czech, so I want the Czech people to be together. So let's say it's his kid, and then they have to get married.
I got you.
And it's a little bizarre. Then it gets worse. So there's a plot here where a girl has gotten pregnant, and she wants to have an abortion. They figure this out through various means, but her husband, the guy who she was dating, who was the father, has died in some kind of accident. His parents find out that this girl is carrying the child and is going to go have an abortion. They kidnap her.
Nice.
And they keep her in their attic, locked under guard.
It's the lighthearted comedy of the summer.
Exactly. So this movie turns, and it turns hard. It's it gives you whiplash. It turns so hard.
Turns in 9 months.
Because it's this funny comedy. Right. It's ha ha. People are having babies. Ha ha ha. And then it's no, it's real now.
Right.
It's it grabs you by the collar, and it's no, this is serious. And then it just gets more serious from there. And it's a really interesting movie. I think it's worth watching, but you just got to be ready for that turn because it just happens all of a sudden. You're ooh, this isn't fun anymore. I'm sorry I laughed. I'm sorry that I joined in on this. So, but The Priest's Children, it's funny and very serious at the same time.
Sounds different.
It's definitely different. But yeah, that's all I've seen. A Place for Film is recorded at WFIU Studios in Bloomington, Indiana.